welcome to another episode of In the Kitchen with Yolanda. Today I have a special guest, my oldest daughter, Leila Nieves. Leila, tell everybody what we're going to be making today.
Peanut butter Hershey Kiss cookies.
It's a very simple recipe. It's ingredients that you already have in your home. And if you love peanut butter and chocolate, this recipe is for you. The ingredients that we are going to need for this recipe are
1 cup of peanut butter, 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 egg, and Hershey Kisses.
You're also going to need a hand mixer, a bowl, a sheet tray with parchment paper, a ice cream scooper, and a spatula. Now I'm going to put all the ingredients together. I'm going to place in the 1 cup of peanut butter. Make sure you get everything in there. Everything. Leila, you want to place the sugar, the 1 cup of sugar. Okay. Now we're going to mix together the peanut butter and the sugar at medium speed. Be careful. Okay, so we have to make sure everything is well incorporated. Okay. We're gonna stop here. Okay, Leila. So I'm gonna have you put a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Okay, put it in there. And then we're gonna place the egg. And we're gonna start mixing. Get everything well mixed. Okay, I think this is looking good. So it should be like this texture. So this is the fun part. We're gonna get our hands dirty. I'm gonna use this big scoop to scoop out the cookies. You can make them either big or small. It's up to you. So we're gonna scoop them like this. Here, grab one here. And our hands are clean, so don't worry. We're gonna roll them, yeah, like this. Let me see, you need some help? Maybe we should add a little bit more for yours. You just go like that and roll it. And the good thing about this recipe, there's no flour involved. Go ahead, Leila, you can keep scooping. Scoop another one. Yep, hold on there to the bowl. No, this way. You gotta go like this. You go from here, like that. Give me your hand. Okay. I'm gonna keep going. Are you excited?
Yes.
This is gonna be so good. Pull one here. Yeah. Let's make 2 more. Okay. Here you go.
Thank you.
So Leila, do you like peanut butter and Hershey Kiss together?
I don't really know.
You don't know?
I've never tried, so this is gonna be a good experience.
That's good. A first time for everything, right? All right, so we're gonna continue making more.
Mom, are these ready to go?
Yes, they are. They're gonna go in the oven at 350 degrees for about 10 minutes. In the oven they go.
So my mom told me to unwrap 10 of these. So this is the last one, but there's a lot left. Don't mind if I do.
These look like they're done. So these are ready. These actually took about 15 to 20 minutes to bake as they are a bigger size. If you do a smaller size, it would take about 10 minutes. So now we're just gonna be placing the Hershey Kiss in the middle while they're still warm. Go ahead, Layla. Just press it in there. Not too. Yep. There we go. Awesome. So now we're gonna let them cool down for about 10 minutes. So this is how they came out.
Mom, no powdered sugar today?
Not today. Let's try one. Let me know what you think.
Okay. That's good.
These are so good. Please let me know if you tried this recipe. Don't forget to like, to subscribe, and to comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.
This has been an episode of In the Kitchen with Yolanda. Now you can get back to whatever it is you were doing. She's done.
Make sure you subscribe. You better like, share,
Hit that notification bell.
And comment down below.